In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Squarespace. This can really elevate the visual appeal of your website, making it more attractive and engaging for visitors. So whether you're designing a portfolio, a blog, or an online store, setting the right background image can make a significant difference. Let's dive right into the process. First, what you need to do is head over to your Squarespace site. Open up your preferred web browser, type in your website address, and log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to the website overview page that showcases all the sections of your site. Now, identify the section where you want to add the background image. This might be your home page, a services page, or even a blog section. Click on the section that you have chosen. You'll see it get highlighted, and right alongside it, there's an option to Edit section. Go ahead and click on Edit section to bring up the editing panel. In the editing panel, you'll find a Background tab. Click on Background, which brings up the various background options available for you to customize. Look for the button that says Add an image. Clicking on this allows you to start the process of uploading an image from your local storage. Now it's time to select the image you want for your background. Click Upload File and browse through your computer to find the image you want to use. It's essential to pick an image that suits the theme of your website and represents your brand effectively. Once you've made your selection, upload it. After your image is uploaded, click Edit. This option offers you a chance to customize how your image will appear on your website. You can play around with the image placement, choose whether it should be stretched or repeated, and adjust other design elements that suit your creative vision. Remember, small changes can profoundly affect the overall look, so it's worth spending a few extra minutes getting it just right. Once you're satisfied with how the image looks, remember to click Save. This will ensure that all the edits and adjustments you have made are safely stored and reflected on your live website. And don't forget, if you've made these changes to a specific section, you'll also see another Save button in the broader website editor. It's always a good practice to make sure you hit Save before you exit your editing to ensure no changes are lost. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background image to your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process, but it can have such a massive impact on the aesthetics and appeal of your website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.